Okay, picture this. You wake up with an app idea. Maybe it's a journal that writes encouraging quotes while you type, or a food tracker that guilt trips you in real time. You're hyped. You grab your coffee, crack your knuckles, open your laptop, and then reality hits. You don't code. You don't know how to code. You don't design. You don't even know what CSS stands for. And you think probably it's a crispy salad system. Hey everyone, welcome back to Atarian News Channel, where we decode tech without turning your brain into scrambled pixels. In this episode, I'm going to tell you about Figma Make, Figma's AI powered prompt to app feature. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll be able to say, make me an app, and kind of like magic, poof, you'll watch it appear. And that too with more code and fewer rabbits. Okay, Figma has just dropped a game changer, Figma Make. And no, it's not a new kitchen appliance or a DIY kit. Figma Make is an AI powered tool that lets you build interactive web apps and prototypes. Seriously, just by typing what you want. Now, this isn't just another shiny tech buzzword. This is prompt to product wizardry. You type a natural sentence like, make me a to do list app that looks like a sticky note, and boom, Make gives you a working design and a functional prototype. It's like having a designer, developer, and UI expert in your back pocket, minus the coffee breaks and existential dread. So, what exactly is Figma Make? Simply put, you type what you want, and poof, you get a working prototype or web app. No need for coding skills or calling your nerdy cousin at 3 a.m. It's like having a polite robot butler, and you tell him, make me a music player that spins a vinyl disc, and voila, disc spinning awesome. Launched in full glory at Config 2025, Make is Figma's response to the creative bottleneck a lot of us face, having ideas but no tools to build them. And while we've seen AI flirt with design before, Make takes it further. It's not just generating a mockup, it's building a live, editable, interactive app. You can run it, click it, preview it in real time. It's not smoke and mirrors. It's HTML, CSS, JS, and vibes. Here's how it works. You start in a make file, which looks just like any other Figma project, but under the hood. It's a whole new beast. You can feed it prompts, plain English descriptions of what you want, or even drop in a sketch of wireframe to give it a visual context. The AI then turns it into a responsive, coded UI with real interactions. Want a button that glows when hovered? Well, tell it. Want a form that validates input? Just ask. Want a background that changes based on weather data? But you're pushing it. But yes, it can do that too. And here's the kicker, you don't have to stop at one design. You can talk to the AI like it's a creative partner. Can you try a darker theme or add a navigation bar with rounded corners and pastel icons? It listens, interprets, and iterates like a good intern, but faster. And it doesn't sigh when you change your mind for the fifth time. This isn't for pixel pushers either. Figma's made sure that anyone, from first time founders to marketers to curious teens with dreams, all can play with this tool. You don't need to install anything or learn a new platform. It's built into Figma Flow. And yes, you can connect these apps to real backends like Supabase, a dream MVP in a day. But that's no longer than a tech fairy tale. So let's address the scroll bar in the room. What's the catch? Figma Make is now officially out of beta and in general availability as of July 24, 2025. That means anyone with a Figma account can try it. But depending on your Figma plan, you'll either feel like royalty or a spectator at the gates. Full seat paid users, those on Figma's main professional plans, but they get to create, edit, and publish their Make projects with no limits for now. But for folks on starter or free tiers, you can tinker with Make. But publishing is off limits unless you upgrade. Think of it like trial mode in a video game. Fun to play, but you're not saving your high score. It's also worth noting that Figma Make's credit system is in the works. Right now, full seat users enjoy unlimited generation, but that'll change as Make moves toward a pay as you build model. So it's better to use it while the AI still thinks you are royalty. Now let's zoom out a little. Make isn't just a solo act. It's part of a broader family of AI tools Figma's been rolling out like a very stylish Swiss Army knife. Alongside Make, there's Figma sites for building full websites, Buzz for AI generated marketing content, Draw for vector illustrations, and Slides for, you guessed it right, presentations. It's like they're building the Adobe Suite's cooler cousin who actually listens to you. Of course, no innovation journey is without its bumps. Earlier versions of this tech, under the name Make Designs, got into hot water when one AI generated design looked very suspiciously like Apple's weather app. Figma took the hit, paused the rollout, reworked the training data, and re-emerged with a more transparent control model. Lesson learned: AI may be fast, but it still needs supervision. Think of it like a toddler with Photoshop. But since then, the community response has been largely positive and hilariously creative. People have already built everything from 3D hand tracking synths to color palette explorers to fake cryptocurrency trackers. Don't worry, they weren't real scams, just educational ones. There's even a chess game floating around, built entirely in Make, just because someone asked it to. If that doesn't scream future, I don't know what does. And it's not just play. Professionals are starting to use Make to whip up MVPs, prototype internal tools, even validate startup ideas before writing a single line of code. It's transforming the I have an idea moment into an actual product, and in some cases, into investor pitch decks within hours. The impact here is huge. Make doesn't just lower the barrier to design, it puts a steep stool in place and offers you a smoothie while you climb. You don't need to know how to write JavaScript or even how to pronounce it. Just describe what you want, refine through conversation, and watch the magic happen. And yeah, sure, it's not perfect yet. Sometimes the layouts need tweaking. Sometimes the AI forgets the padding. Sometimes it acts like an over caffeinated intern who's trying to impress you but misses the brief. But hey, that's all part of the ride. So, where does this go next? As Figma eyes its IPO with a potential $16 billion valuation, Make is clearly more than a side project. It's central to their vision of AI native design tools, where the barrier to creativity is not skill but imagination. Expect deeper integrations, new AI models, smarter prompting, and eventually a Figma experience where designing feels less like drawing boxes and more like telling a story. In the end, Figma Make isn't about replacing designers, it's about unlocking creativity for everyone else. For all the folks who've ever said, I have this idea, but I don't know how to build it, Make is here with a simple reply. Just tell me and I'll take care of the rest. So, next time an idea hits you, even if it hits you while you're brushing your teeth or spacing out in the traffic, remember you no longer have to build it alone. Just flip out your phone, open Figma, and make it. Check out the description box below for a step by step guide on how to use Figma Make. That's it for today's episode. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're into brain friendly design talk. Make your dreams clickable, and I'll see you in the next video.